be going to Hawaii, and I have a conference there. I'm going to the Silhouette Summit, and the girls are coming to play. So we'll have a few days we're going to spend on Waikiki, and we'll have a few days that we're going to spend at Turtle Bay. So should be pretty fun. Is it your first time, Calissa? She's already busy into the trees. Siri is busy drawing.
We're just so happy to be getting food in our tummies.
So, we boarded the plane at 1:45. We're supposed to take off at 2:07. It is now 3:30. They are thinking about 4:15 we'll finally leave. We're hot, we're sweaty, they've brought us water. The teenager has been awesome. She's just been doing that. I mean, basically what teenagers do, right?
This is awful. I hate this. Get me
That's
out of
what the
here.
11-year-old is doing.
Get me out of here. This is awful. Awful. Awful.
We deplaned, and we're all pleased because it means they found us another plane. We are officially on another plane to go to Honolulu.
Yeah, that only took
And
15 minutes.
we brought pizza with us. Our first real day in Oahu, in Honolulu. So basically we got off, my kids were really sad, they thought that we weren't going to make it to Hawaii, and I was like, no, I've got a conference, you guys, so we'll make it. They'll get us another plane. And they did. We didn't get in until, by the time we got to our hotel, it was like 11. We were supposed to get in at 5. So, I mean, granted, there was getting the rental car, which, by the way, of course, because we were late, they had given away our rental car, so we'd upgrade to another car. So I was, you know, like when you get to the point where you don't care, I did not care. We're at the Sheraton Waikiki, and it's just gorgeous. So they desperately wanted to come to the beach. Here was the good news in my head. We were going to bed so late, my kids were going to sleep in, right?
What do you like about it?
Everything.
Okay, what do you think about the shaved ice in Hawaii?
They're big.
They're really big. Were they what you were expecting?
No.
What did you think it was going to look like?
Regular shaved ice.
There's something so magical about the evening in Honolulu on the Waikiki Strip here. We are just having the best time. We're walking down to Duke's to eat tonight. We're sitting at the bar area.
They probably can't hear you.
Because it is so incredibly loud. We're hot and sweaty, and I think we're a little bit tired, but today is my last day of working, so we're going to do some really cool stuff. You're not tired?
I'm not tired.
Apparently Felicity thinks that ice cream is a great breakfast item.
to the Silhouette Dinner Cruise. Edible flower, anyone? So today we're moving on. We're going to Turtle Bay, and we're just super excited to be on the North Shore and for me to be done with the work part of my trip.